Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So, today we are diving deep into the topic that's revolutionizing the programming world, that is, artificial intelligence, AI. How is AI impacting programmers and coders? Are these changes something to be worried about or excited about? So, let's break down the impact of AI on coding industry with its advantages and drawbacks and how to stay ahead of the curve. Everything we'll discuss in this video. But before that, I want to share a news with those who are preparing or planning to prepare for GATE 2026 for all the GATE aspirants. With Geeks for Geeks, now you will dive into 10 plus expert designed courses packed with 300 plus hours of recorded sessions and 900 plus hours of live sessions. From problem solving sessions to skill assessment contests, it is the perfect launchpad for your success. And if you need help, then get 6 months of 24 into 7 one-on-one AI doubt assistance, access to supporting notes, documentations, and a daily practice problem of for every lecture, ensuring that no topic is left unexplored. The highlight of this course is that you get to learn from the finest, including Chandan Jha, All India rank 23 and 26, Dr. Khalil, Vijay Kumar Agarwal, experts with years of experience who have helped thousands of students to crack GATE and secure their future in technology. And for those of you in the South, let me just tell you one thing, this course is conducted entirely in English. So, if language has been a barrier in your learning journey, this might be the one for you. To know more, you can check out the link in the description box of this video and also avail exciting discounts. So, let's get back to the topic. First, let's see what is AI and how does it help in programming. We know that like artificial intelligence or AI is a technology that basically helps machines to learn, adapt, and perform tasks that would require like human intelligence. We know this thing like data analysis, natural language processing, and even in writing code as well. I hope you maybe you have used GitHub Copilot that use AI to suggest code completion for those snippets. Okay, that is use of AI in writing code. Okay, so this is integrating in programming world also. AI is being integrated into the tools that assist developers in coding faster and more accurately. Developers use these tools. You can just include this like GitHub Copilot, this tool in your any ID you are using like IntelliJ IDEA or VS Code Editor, and then you can use this. It is using AI. This tool it will help you to suggest your code, autofill tasks, and really help in debugging with real time as you type. That's true. You can try out this. Okay, so AI is like has been already like integrated in programming world. It's not that it will integrate in this programming world. So definitely AI is designed to help programmers by making those routine tasks just quicker and easier. It's not that you just companies are going to hire the coder, you sit and code. No, that a machine can do that task nowadays. You have to do more. You have to be a problem solver. Okay, so what we can see, some advantages of using AI for programmers are definitely increased productivity. These are going to help you in completing your code faster. So definitely productive would be increased of programmers productivity, that is for sure. Fewer errors because AI detect bugs more efficiently. Okay, and it will suggest solution as well. So there are less chances of errors. The code would be more clean and more efficient. Learning and improving, these AI tools assist in learning, like in the coding patterns of a language. They will suggest you if there is an error, you just click there. They will suggest you can do this. So it will give you suggestion if you are trying to learn a new language, the coding pattern of that language. So you learn easily. And one more thing, if suppose your task has been completed, you are using these tools and your task has been completed, so you have time left for you to upskill yourself. So you can learn something new. So that are basically you can say we can say these are advantages of using AI tools in development or in programming. But there are some drawbacks also. So definitely faster development would be there, which is a huge advantage when you have tight deadlines in projects. When developers have tight deadlines in projects, that is for sure. But one thing is for sure, there are some disadvantages also of using AI for programmers. If you rely more on AI while writing code, if you depend too dependent on these AI tools, then that is not good for you. If especially you are a beginner, you are definitely going to lose the touch of those essential or fundamental coding concept. Because as we know, like when you're using any id, then also like I'm right now my course is on java, so I'm just using IntelliJ IDEA. So whenever you write this thing PSVM, so it will give you the complete line, public static void main. I don't have to write the complete code. This is just simple example. We are not using like that any AI. It's a simple example. Like I just write PSVM and it will help me to give the complete code, right? If I write SOUT, it will complete like the sentence system dot out dot println and this thing. So if you are a beginner and if you're too dependent on these shortcuts, then definitely when you are going to write the code with your hand, there is no id, then definitely you are going to face problems, right? And this is a simple example that id is only giving you these suggestions, but AI tools are more than that. It will give you the complete code snippet. It will give you the maybe the complete code of any method or something like this. So dependent don't be dependent too much on these tools. That may be a drawback. Okay. And you are definitely going to lose your problem solving abilities. That is for sure. And one thing this is also for sure, automation of entry level jobs. Those are lower level jobs. That would be automated for sure. No one is going to hire simply a coder. Just sit and code for this particular snippet or this particular problem. No, that a machine can do. AI can do. Okay. So these jobs would be definitely no more. Entry level jobs. I'm not saying higher level jobs. Entry level jobs. Junior developers. These jobs. Those are handling simple routine coding jobs. Okay. Because AI can generate the code for like even basic website. Right. And applications, and basically they are going to replace those lower level jobs. That is one drawback, and AI has already replaced so many jobs. We know this thing. Okay, it's not future, it's already happening. Now quality, okay, sometimes quality control issues are there because sometimes we cannot completely rely on AI tools. They can suggest some incorrect code or some insufficient inefficient solutions. These things happens. So who are going to review? Obviously, we human are going to review. Thorough review is required for those code. We cannot directly accept, okay, this is given by AI, so just use it. No, we cannot completely rely on AI tool. That is for sure. Okay, so because we are creative, we can think. So AI doesn't have this creativity that we have. If we human have, so there is some issue also, quality issue if you rely on AI. So definitely humans are required, not just AI. But yeah, now you have to be more. You have to do more. You have to be a problem solver. You have to do more tasks rather than doing just simple and repetitive tasks, just coding. No, you can't do that thing. That AI can do. Right. So there are some advantages and drawbacks also of using AI. What is now effect of AI on programmers programming career? So yeah, we can definitely say that with this, the roles are going to be changed. Evolution of roles. Simple jobs, simple coder jobs, there would be no these kind of jobs like junior developer or these kind of jobs. But yeah, there are some few roles. Focus will shift to problem solving, system architecture, some innovation. Higher level tasks like designing the algorithm or optimizing the system, working on AI related projects. That will become more important. Got it? Definitely there will be the changes in the job roles. That is for sure. Demand of new skills. Yeah, you have to integrate in yourself. You have to learn like these machine learning, data science, AI programming languages like Python, R, TensorFlow, Keras, and Java is also not behind in the race. Java is also in the race. You can go in for Java also because Java is also having some libraries. Java ML, deep learning for J, and I guess Veka. Those are helpful in machine learning and in AI. So yeah, definitely the demand for new skills would be definitely going to increase. And as we know that developers or the programmers are going to use AI, integrate AI tools in their job. So that collaboration would be more and more seamless. You will see that thing also. AI tool will become like it's a necessity in our life. Maybe Right now it's a necessity, but maybe after 2 3 5 year 10 year it definitely may be a necessity or important tool. Okay, so developers will work with AI to increase their productivity, that is for sure, and already they are working because they will be responsible for fine tuning and ensuring the quality of the code. Developers or the human are responsible for this fine tuning and for ensuring the quality of the code, but they will use AI tools. AI tools will assist them, right? So one thing is for sure, programmers need to upskill themselves to stay competitive in this market, AI market. That is for sure. Okay. Now, one thing is we can say adapting. What the solution is what? Now, what is left? Adapting to AI. That is the only solution. You have to adapt AI. You can't just say that okay, I'll not learn, I'll not go for these AI things or these things. No, AI will not replace you, but the one who is using AI, that person will definitely replace you in future. So you have no chance left, but you have no option left but adapt to AI, that is for sure. So learn AI and machine learning. There are so many courses you can learn these things. Get comfortable with AI tools as well. GitHub Copilot, and there's so many tools. IntelliCode, Kite. There are so many tools. So try to use these tools while developing, but don't rely too much for these tools. Okay, and develop core programming skill. Don't just think that now the one who is like maybe in first year or second year, they think that this is AI era, machine learning, deep learning, and just go for this. But those core programming skills are the base. Don't just think that I'll not go for like C, C++. My college is teaching me like C, C++, Java. That is not required. No. These are the base. You have to be good in those programming languages because programming languages are required when you are going for these AI roles as well. For AI engineer or for anything. When you are maybe building AI models or machine learning models. So you need these concepts, programming concepts, programming language concept, DSA, languages. So do not just underestimate the power of these programming languages. So learn first at least one language. Maybe you can go for like start with C or C++ or Java. Make a have a great command in that language in these concepts, because if you are good in one language, it's easy for you to switch to another language, to learn to another language. That is for sure. Okay. So yeah, AI can help you with repetitive tasks, but you have to be like strong programming fundamentals are still essential in this field also, in AI field also. Don't just think that I will learn at AI, I will go for machine learning, I will go for deep learning, I will go for data science. Base is languages. So learn these languages also. Like, and then yeah, use AI tools. Go for these technology as well. Learn machine learning, AI, and these things. So basically, what we can say is it's a double-edged sword. It is having advantages as well as it is having risk also. So yeah, that is for sure. And adaptation is the only key. You have to adapt if you want to stay competitive in this market. You have to adapt AI. That is for sure. You have to learn these things. Learn new skill, upskill yourself, improve your programming expertise also to stay relevant in this world, in this AI era. Right. So it's like work alongside AI rather than being replaced by it. It's a great line. Work alongside AI rather than being replaced by it. So AI may change the job landscape, but it definitely opens up new opportunities for growth and specialization in new fields. So I hope this video is definitely going to help you to decide. And that's it about this video. Now, if you want me to upload more such kind of content, you can just let me know in comment section. So now we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.